Hello my fellow Arknights, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix unstable network connection in my Arknights Endfield on my PS5. So the first thing I did was that I actually went into settings here, as you can see, and now on settings what I did is that I clicked on users and accounts right here. I scrolled down, I click on other and click on restore licenses. Then I selected Arknights Endfield and clicked on restore here down below, as you can see. I just waited a couple of seconds for it to completely finish the process here. Now when it's done, go back to this page and go to network instead. Then go to settings here and set up internet connection. Now you're going to select the Wi-Fi that you're connected to, and then you're going to click on these three lines here on your PS5. So the options button I think it's called. Click on advanced settings and then change your DNS settings from automatic to manual. Then the primary DNS, change it to 1.1.1.1 here, as you can see. Secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Now click on OK. So this will most likely give you a little bit better signal than before. So when it's done connected to the internet, you can then go back into the game and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.